Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. In this episode, we are making this healthy, oil-free, sugar-free, and flour-free banana bread. It's super moist and super soft, and it's even tastier than the normal banana bread that you usually make. And if you're ready, let's get started. First, we will add 1.5 cups of oat flour into the mixing bowl. Here I've made my own flour by grinding some quick oats with my blender because it's super easy and much cheaper to make your own. But if you prefer, you can buy the store-bought ones. Now add 2¼ teaspoons baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, 6 tablespoons of glutinous rice flour. Then combine all the dry ingredients together. In another mixing bowl, crack 3 eggs into it. And then whisk it lightly. By the way, if you want to receive notifications for all my videos, make sure you change the setting from personalized to all after you've subscribed. Otherwise, you'll only get selected ones. Alright, so we'll need 3 ultra-ripe bananas if you want a good loaf of banana bread. I've let mine sit in the fridge for 2 weeks. Now add the peeled bananas into the mixture. So these nearly blackened bananas are what give our banana bread the sweetness. So the more, the merrier. Now we're gonna mash them. Then add 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Mix well. Add 6 tablespoons of buttermilk. Here I've made my own, which you can learn how to make it from the last episode. Mix well. Then gradually add your dry ingredients. Using a spatula, fold until just combined. Repeat this process until everything is combined. Do not overmix. This is how it should look like when everything is combined. Now we're gonna add my favorite dark chocolate chips. I got this from Trader Joe's. We can be a little bit more generous because we hadn't added any sugar. We're just relying on the sweetness from the bananas and the dark chocolate chips. Add about 3/4 cup to 1 cup. Adjust to your liking. Coat your loaf pan with oil spray. Then pour in the banana mixture. Smooth out the surface with a spatula and then sprinkle more chocolate chips on the surface. And don't forget to reward yourself with a few chocolate chips. It's allowed. Bake the banana bread in a preheated 350 degrees oven. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Ta-da! This is the end product. To check to see if the banana bread is cooked, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Some wet crumbs on the toothpick is also okay. Look how soft this is. Alright, my favorite moment is here. It's time to taste test this. Wow. So soft. Wow. Very good. But before I dive in, let me have a sip of this homemade almond milk. Goes so well together, which by the way, I'm going to show you guys how to make this in the next episode here. This banana bread is so soft and so moist, and can you believe it? There's no sugar or oil in it. And by the way, another tip, you can also pair it with a slice of fresh banana. It's also very yummy. Wow.
My hard work definitely paid off.
And if you've enjoyed today's video, I'm sure you will also enjoy the next video here. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time. We will be making this homemade almond milk together. Bye bye!